Hello everyone, welcome to another weekend video. Here is Thiago Duarte, the Chief Strategist at Duarte Investment Group, and welcome to another weekend video for next week or so. Okay, before I start, here's the disclaimer talking about all the risks that you can get involved in the financial markets. So trade the money that you can afford to lose, and trade small risk management, and just for you to know exactly the risk here. And everything I speak today, it's not a recommendation, but it's something for you to learn and see what I'm looking for future trading ideas and plans. Okay guys, so a few weeks ago I spoke about the dollar, the euro dollar, and dollar Swiss franc, but when I recorded a few weeks ago, that was before we made a breakout. Okay, but now I want to do the same one, talk about the same markets, but this time we finally have the breakouts. Okay, if we see the US dollar FXCM here, you can see that the monthly chart we have been in different triangles over the time, over the months and years, and you can see that we were inside of, looks like a wedge just now, and we are breaking, guys. We are breaking to new highs. So the dollar here, it's showing very strong here appetite to continue going forward. Okay, so that's very interesting. Okay, because we have seen the dollar stronger across the board, so against pound, against many other pairs. And you can see here on the daily we were in this another wedge here on the daily, and you can see that we broke out and got full energy forward. Okay, and this you have been, and as you can see here is the high, is the high. I can go here to the monthly, and it's the high since 2011. Okay, so dollar, it's very strong, guys, very strong. So let's go now to I think the forex pairs which I'm looking for, and is already breaking too. Dollar Swiss franc, guys, has been, I think, the best pair, not the best pair, but a pair I have been following for quite a few weeks already, and I was waiting for this dollar Swiss franc on the weekly chart here to break this trend line here. Okay, which is from this high here, 2006 high, to this high here which we made on 2008. Okay, and we finally broke and closed above the trend line. Okay, it's the first time we are doing that. You can see here, we can see some wicks above the trend line, especially the previous candle here, but finally now we have a big green close above the trend line. So this is big. This is what we call a breakout. Okay, we were inside of triangle, mini triangle here, very small one, and trend line just a little bit above that, but we finally broke both of them, and now we are pretty higher. Okay, so this is the pair which a breakout, and a breakout gives us gives an indication of a new trend. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting here on the dollar Swiss franc, to continue going higher in the long term. I really believe, guys, I really believe that we can reach about 112, I don't know, around this zone here. Okay, around this zone here, so we have a lot to go into. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Daily here, we are, we're gonna find some two big resistance here, which was the previous highs, the previous high here before the very big SNB day here that we had that crash, one day more than 1,000 pips, and then the next high here which we made, and we came all the way up again in this high here. So we're approaching quite good levels here to watch, but I still believe that we can break those levels. Okay, now thinking about correction here, guys, there are three zones here that I put it here, the three squares I'm putting, and you can see that we are in a resistance at the moment as we speak. Okay, putting a fib from this high here to the low here. Okay, and from another fib from this high here to the low, we can see the fib extensions here above, and we can see that we touched the from this second fib here the 1.618, and the other one we touched the 1.272, which is the first fib extension. Okay, so we are in a good place here to make a resistance in the short term, and there are three levels here I'll be looking to go and buy again the dollar Swiss franc for the medium to long term. Okay, so keep an eye on 99.50. Below that we can watch about 99.00 zone, okay, around this area here. And if we go even below that, 98.50. Okay guys, and all the trades I open in here, all the longs that I might purchase in the next few days, the stop loss is all gonna be below 98.02. Okay, which is this blue line here, the second one here, okay, which is just below this. Is a support zone, okay, so it's just below this low, and we could go back to date. We can see many, many reactions there and closes, and so it's a good level to watch. And I'm leaving the market a little bit of a room here, so don't get cut and then the market just turns higher and continue going higher as I was believing into. So I'm giving here a little bit of a room, about 100 pips, but as you can see, my target here is more than about, well, more than 400 pips. So the risk reward is there, and it's looking good. And you can see another market which is correlated with this dollar Swiss franc, and as you believe it is the euro dollar. Okay, and euro dollar, I'm going straight away to the weekly here. You can see that we were in the channel. Okay, many people is calling this as a bearish flag. Okay, it can be, okay, but the good thing here is for us to focus into, what I want you guys to focus right now is that we are breaking this channel. Then after we break the low of this year, okay, then we can start thinking about bearish flag and other stuff. Okay, but let's keep here an eye where we are. So we made a really good break here. You can see here in the data here in more detail that we were in a channel, okay, in a very clear channel, as you can see the highs here exactly, to the highs. And then we had another trend line here, this blue one connecting from the low we made this year and the next low here, major low. And you can see that we broke the flag, came down, stopped there, make a jump, a correction, and then continue moving lower. Okay, so but as you can see right now, we are on the 200% fib. Okay, and also we are at the we are here at the 786. Okay, from the low we made this year to the high we made here this year as well. Okay, so from the low to the high of the year, you can see that we are at the 786. So we have 786 here and 200% here, which is also support zone. You can see this blue line here, baby blue line here. So it's a support zone. Okay, so the market might stop here, and Monday stop, hold a little bit here, but if we start breaking the low we made this Friday, guys, then this market can get really nasty. Okay, and it's another market. Okay, it's the same as dollar Swiss franc. I want to sell this market. Dollar Swiss franc, of course, I want to get long. So the opposite on the euro dollar here. So keep an eye on any correction here. Just put it on the 4-hour chart here, as you can see here above. I put it just a fib from the last high to the low here, and we also have a resistance zone here. As you can see, the previous two lows were in this square here. I put it this box. So the closest we go there, the better. Okay, it really is. So keep an eye. We have 38 here. 50% I think is a really good level for us to start shorting, and then 618 is a little bit, this is the golden fib. So the better we get there, the closer we got to 618 is the best. Okay, I really think so. Stop loss, guys, I will put probably above this high here. Okay, above this high here, making my risk not too big, but also giving the market a bit of a room. Okay, guys, so those are the two markets. I'm trying here to access the dollar DXY, but it's not letting me to. I don't know why. Yeah, it's showing valid symbol. Let me try another one. Let me try this one here. This one should be fine. Yeah, same thing, guys. We were, as you probably saw me doing already, I can do this live just now. We were in a triangle, it looks like, right? In this triangle here, and we broke out, guys. And we are going higher. Okay, even the DXY. So resistance here, we can probably find some here in this high. Another one previous high as well. Okay, 99.99. The other one is 100.39. So approaching good levels there. If we put a fib here from the last high to the low, we are approaching the 200 as well. If I change and put it this high to this low here, let's see. Yeah, it's near the highs there. So this high here was going to be very important for us to see the reaction. If you start breaking those highs, guys, then this market is going to get crazy. Okay, and I hope to, you guys have some dollar longs in your portfolio so you can get the move. Okay, but wait for corrections, guys. Okay, don't just buy the dollar with your closed eyes. Okay, get selected levels, wait for the market to correct so you can manage your risk very carefully. Okay, guys, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Here's my contact details if you need to contact me. My email is there, my Twitter, Thiago Trader, and you're more than welcome as well, guys, to join our chat room, which is free until the 12th. Okay, if you want to join, just send me an email and I can add you on the system. Okay, guys, hope everyone have a great weekend and take care of yourself and have a really good weekend. And I see you later today or tomorrow morning. Take care and goodbye.